March evening, Manhattan hums below 10 floors. Inside, fabric dust floats. A bell rings. Doors click shut. Work continues. Someone smells smoke. No one knows how small moments ignite histories that burn cities and laws forever. Upper floors glow with sewing machines. Young women laugh, rush, stitch. Owners fear theft, lock exits. Safety feels expensive. Time feels cheap. Outside, sirens practice futures they hope never to learn on these crowded city nights. At 4:40, a spark catches scraps. Flames sprint ceilings. Shouts rise. Hoses fail. Stairwells choke. Elevators freeze. Locked doors answer pounding fists with silence, metal, and the sound of time accelerating inside crowded factory floors tonight. Windows become choices. Nets tear. Fire climbs faster than courage. On sidewalks, witnesses scream prayers. Above them, bodies fall like punctuation, ending sentences of ordinary days as crowds watch helplessly beneath drifting ash and sirens blare.
I was there in photographs, eyes lifted. Names followed numbers, sisters, daughters, breadwinners. Grief learned addresses. Funerals stitched communities together with anger stronger than fear that demanded answers, justice, safety, dignity, memory, change. Now, for everyone. Newspapers name 146. Public mourning hardens into resolve. Why were doors locked? Why inspections absent? The city listens. The nation leans closer. Accountability finally has witnesses who refuse forgetting, denial, excuses, delay, apathy, complacency, neglect. Again, reformers march. Survivors testify. Lawmakers feel heat without flames. Codes change. Sprinklers, exits, hours, inspections. Work becomes safer because tragedy taught consequences in bloodless ink written by memory, outrage, courage, solidarity, vigilance, persistence, reform, protection, lives.
From ashes rose standards copied nationwide. Factories transformed. Unions strengthened. Childhood labor retreated. The invisible became regulated. Progress arrived uneven, but it arrived carrying names we must remember whenever alarms ring, doors unlock, inspectors knock, rules, today alarms chirp, exits glow. These comforts were purchased dearly. Laws are promises written after listening. When we work, we inherit protections paid for by others who never clocked out, whose shifts ended in smoke, flames. Remember the triangle not as relic, but warning. Safety fades when vigilance sleeps. Progress demands maintenance. The past speaks softly, unless we choose not to hear its lessons, costs, voices, echoes, truth, responsibilities, obligations, duties. Now, every code, every drill carries fingerprints of 1911. Honor them by insisting workplaces value lives over speed, margins, convenience, and silence. Today, tomorrow, everywhere, always, together, collectively, firmly, calmly, loudly, persistently, humanely, legally, ethically, safely, first. This fire changed labor laws forever because people refused to look away. They organized grief into guardrails that still hold through storms, markets, politics, profit, growth, risk, doubt, generations, reforms, setbacks, vigilance, courage, memory, care. History isn't distant. It stands at every exit sign. Ask who paid. Then keep the door open with empathy, resolve, respect, accountability, preparedness, training, inspections, rights, voices, courage, unity, vigilance, fairness, care, humanity, safety, justice. Now. The story ends, the work doesn't. Laws live only when enforced by people who remember why they exist today, tomorrow, locally, nationally, globally, steadily, faithfully, bravely, patiently, actively, together, always, for workers, families, futures, safety, dignity. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Keep stories alive. Protect workers. Remember the triangle with care, courage, vigilance, solidarity, respect, action, now.